Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Onila Bembalino from 3CRI A1.8. And the title is Forensic Drug Analysis. And here is the lesson objective. Define and discuss physiology of drugs and drug test specimens. Differentiate qualitative and quantitative of analysis of drugs. In table of contents, describe why forensic drugs analysis is important. Describe why do people drugs and when were drug tests prescribed. And describe why and how people are tampering drug specimens. And the last, describe the differentiate qualitative analysis of drug specimen. Number 1. Describe why forensic drug analysis is important. In forensic drug chemistry analysis, you use scientific findings to help investigators pursue legal action against individuals suspected of drugs-related crime. The goal of forensic drug chemistry is determine whether the material submitted contains an illegal substance. Based on the result and the analysis, law enforcement can pursue criminal change and the count can determine appropriate sentencing. Ayan po ang forensic drugs analysis important. And describe why do people use drugs and when were drug tests prescribed. People take drugs because they want to change something about their lives, to escape or relax, to relieve boredom, to seem grow up. They think is drug in solution, but eventually the drugs become the problem. And when were drug tests prescribed? Urine are most common method drug tests. They are painless, easy, quick, and cost effective. They can check but illegal and prescription drugs. The person provides a urine sample and the doctor technician analyzing the analysis can determine whenever a person used specific drugs in the past few days or weeks, even after effects of the drugs have worn on. Yan po yung mga kung nakakapekto yung paano po yung drugs sabi nga po yung yung to escape na makapag-relax, mawala po yung mga boring, mawala yung mga problema, pero masama po yan sa ating kasulukan. Tapos po pagka when were drug test prescribed, yan po yung kung positive or negative ka. Next is describe how people are tampering drug specimen. Pairing positive result with the consistent participants are often willing to go the great lengths to ward drug tests. They may advance creative techniques or attempt to foil the result when technology drug test tampering, also known as adulteration, refers to the ignition of foreign substance or addition of a foreign substance for a testing specimen to prevent the detection of drug use. Yan po yung paano po sinabi ko nga po kanina kung paano para po makita natin kung positive or negative siya pagka po siya yung gumagamit ng drugs or hindi po. Next is describe the differentiate and qualitative and analysis of specimens. There are difference between qualitative and quantitative drug test results. Once a while, customer can ask instant drugs of abuse test and tell us the quantity of drugs in a person system. We get another question that's similar of the line multi-panel into drug test where very light does that suggest that there in might just a little bit of drug present. Ayan po yung ka-different niya, yung qualitative specimen and quantitative of specimens. At yun lamang po. at maraming salamat.